welcome to episode 3 of Yes You Can Bake. Today we'll be making all natural chocolate mud cake, which comes with chocolate buttons for the ganache. It tastes so good you won't even believe it's gluten free. So let's get to it.
There's gasoline in your heart. There's fire in mine. But there's always nighttime. There's a light I found in your eyes that I've never found in mine. I know I can never ever show you, but there's
Mix the ingredients together with a spoon and then scrape down the sides. And then pour the batter into the cake tin. Now that the cake is ready, I'm just going to put it onto a cooling rack to cool down. Whilst the cake is cooling down, I'm just going to pour 60 ml of thickened cream into a saucepan for the ganache. Once the thickened cream is boiled, add the YesYouCan chocolate buttons, which comes with the premix, and stir until blended through. Now I'm just going to grate a block of chocolate. Thanks for watching this week's episode of Yes You Can Bake Chocolate Mud Cake. I hope you'll enjoy this episode. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and check last week's video. And see you next time. Bye!